I am excited because we are going to be organizing receipts. And what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you my system for organizing receipts, making it so organized and seamless so the clutter is gone away. It's easier for me to search and organize and archive different things. And I'm going to be doing two parts. Part number one is from a personal perspective. I run my home and my house just like I run my businesses. So I'm going to be showing you how I organize my personal receipts and how you can do that too. And then I'm going to be going into the business perspective, showing you how I organize and why I organize my business receipts as well. And I'm going to be showing you the exact settings to do on your app so that everything is seamless and organized and you're no longer got stacks of receipts in different areas or looking for receipts when you need warranty information or it's tax time and you're trying to get everything together. I'm going to share my system with you now. So let's get started.